1300 hours, Pakistan Standard Time. Assalamu alaikum. This is Radio Pakistan, the news read by Hassan Gilani. First, the headlines. Prime Minister says smart lockdown coupled with strict adherence to SOPs is the best strategy to effectively contain coronavirus. Coronavirus has claimed 67 more lives in the country during the past 24 hours, while 4,960 new cases have been confirmed. Information Minister says Prime Minister's promise to go after those who patronized and benefited sugar mafia by fleecing public at large will soon be fulfilled. In occupied Kashmir, Chairman of Tehreek-e-Hurriyat Jammu and Kashmir has reiterated Kashmiris' resolve to continue their resistance against India's military occupation at all fronts. And now the news in detail. Prime Minister Imran Khan says Pakistan is among the pioneers of smart lockdown strategy coupled with strict adherence to standard operating procedures against COVID-19. In a series of tweets, the Prime Minister observed that a lockdown meant collapse of economy and a steep rise in poverty in poor country, crushing the poor as has happened in India. To check the spread of the COVID-19, he once again emphasized spreading awareness in public about the severity of the disease and importance of SOPs. The Prime Minister said world has discovered the smart lockdown as the only strategy to contain the contagious disease beside continuing the economic activity with certain SOPs in place. He appealed to the civil society, media, religious scholars and the Tiger Force to create awareness amongst the public about the severity of the pandemic. 4,960 new coronavirus cases have surfaced in the country over the last 24 hours, taking the total tally to 98,943. These include 37,090 in Punjab, 36,364 in Sindh, 13,001 in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, 6,221 in Balochistan, 4,979 in Islamabad, 927 in Gilgit-Baltistan and 361 in Azad Kashmir. The death toll from the virus stands at 2,002 with 67 deaths reported over the last 24 hours. 23,100 corona tests were also carried out during this period. 33,645 patients have so far recovered from the disease. Coronavirus pandemic has claimed more than 402,237 lives across the world so far, with over 6.98 million confirmed cases. The United States tops the list with over 112,096 deaths, followed by Britain with 40,465, Brazil by 36,044, and Italy with 33,846 deaths. More than 3.4 million people have recovered from the infection. China says it will increase international cooperation if it succeeds in developing a novel coronavirus vaccine. Speaking at a news conference in Beijing today, Science and Technology Minister Wang Xiangang said China would make a vaccine a global public when it is ready. Minister for Information and Broadcasting Senator Shibli Faraz says Prime Minister Imran Khan's promise to go after those who patronized and benefited from sugar mafia by fleecing public at large is soon to be fulfilled. In a tweet today, he said in this regard, a very important meeting is to be held in Bani Gala today, which will be followed by a press conference. In occupied Kashmir, Chairman of Tehreek-e-Hurriyat Jammu and Kashmir, Muhammad Ashraf Sehrai says Kashmiris want the solution of Kashmir dispute on the basis of the right to self-determination as envisaged by relevant resolutions of the United Nations. In a media interview in Srinagar, Sehrai said, if any talks were even held on Kashmir, we would still want a solution to the dispute. He said India wanted to suppress Kashmiris by the dint of force to prevent them from demanding their fundamental right, including the right to self-determination. Meanwhile, a youth was martyred by unknown gunmen in Adipura in Bomai area of Baramulla district. In Syria, 12 fighters have been killed in strikes by unidentified aircraft in Deir ez-Zor province. In a statement, Syrian Observatory for Human Rights said strikes targeted a base of forces in rural areas of the province and destroyed equipment and ammunition. In Libya, Army seized a mine depot belonging to forces loyal to Khalifa Haftar in Tarhuna city. According to government's Burhan al-Ghadab operation, the depot was The depot, with dozens of mines and explosives, was used by the militia to explode mosques, roads, and houses in Tripoli. In Mexico, 10 people have been killed when gunmen opened fire on a drugs rehabilitation center in Irapuato city. The state government of Guantanamo Bay said, despite lockdown measures imposed to combat the coronavirus outbreak, home sites continue to test record levels. And this is the end of the news. For more news and analysis, log on to our website radio.gov.pk and also watch live video streaming of our bulletins on the link facebook.com/Radio Pakistan News Official.